Moving your business from no profits to profits is a challenge in itself. And in today's video, I'm going to help you move out of this challenge. Well, why is it necessary? Many a times, entrepreneurs take their revenue as profits. But let me tell you, be very honest here that revenue is not equivalent to profits. Revenue means आप कितना sales कर रहे हैं per month, per quarter and per year, whereas whenever you take out all the expenses, all the things that are required, the employee salaries, etc., counting to your business, then the profit that is left, the amount that is left, actually is booked as a profit for your business. But most of the times, sometimes entrepreneur takes the revenue pricing as the pricing that is existing for their business, which means मेरे पास इतना फाइनेंस जनरेट हो रहा है, मेरे पास इतना मनी है, बट on the inside they are broken. So today's strategies are going to help a broken business to move from a broken stage to a better stage, which you call a successful business model. Well, while your business model might be successful at times, जहाँ पे आपकी sales हो रही होंगी, आपके एक particular customers होंगे and आप particular services बेच रहे होंगे, but at the same time it's also important to grow your business. A successful business is a business that can predict growth for the coming years, that can predict the innovations for the coming years. आप अगले 5 सालों में अपने बिजनेस को किन फिगर्स पे लेकर के जा सकते हैं? अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर चीज को प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपने सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस बना लिया है. पर अगर आप ये सब चीजें प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते, then in that case you need to work on your business and you need to move out from a broken stage to a successful stage. Well, let me help you do this today by 2 simple strategies that you need to see that is involved in your business every single month. जो आज मैं आपसे strategies डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ, make sure that you are using it every single month to get consistent clients, get consistent closings and thereby getting a predictability in your business. तो अगर आपको successful business बनाना है तो हमें एक predictable business model बनाने की ज़रूरत है जहाँ पे हम अपने finances को specifically predict कर सकें. तो आइए इसके बारे में और deeply जानते हैं. Let's understand this much more better in deep. Here are 2 strategies that you need to make sure that you are evolving with these strategies as a business owner and helping your business grow every single month. The first strategy is lead generation. Lead generation is a very nominal strategy and you will say कि अरे ये तो मैं करता हूँ, but at the same time when I ask you, are you doing it consistently and how is it helping your business to grow, the question might still be a question in your mind and you might not get answers to it. So let's simplify this strategy for you today. Lead generation एक simple strategy है जो ensure करती है आपके business में continuous customers का flow होता रहे. एंड इस स्ट्रैटेजी को हमें अपने बिजनेस में हमेशा कंटिन्यू रखना चाहिए. द प्रॉब्लम विथ मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस इज यू ओनली एडवर्टाइज और मार्केट एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम व्हेन यू एक्चुअली नीड इट. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक दैट यू माइट बी मेकिंग, बिकॉज इस तरीके से प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी ला पाना बिजनेस में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू बिल्ड अ लीड जनरेशन फनल, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू वांट इज अ लीड मैग्नेट, एक मैजिकल चीज जो आपके कस्टमर्स को आपके ब्रांड की तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर सके. नाउ इट कुड बी अ सिंपल चेकलिस्ट, अ सिंपल ई-बुक, अ ट्यूटोरियल फॉर योर सॉफ्टवेयर्स or maybe something that can help your customers experience your service, such as an audit that gives them a variation of their current state and what could be their future state, or maybe something that they can experience in the form of a software trial. Now ये सारी चीज़ें एक लीड मैग्नेट के फॉर्म में हम अपने कस्टमर्स को या पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स को दे सकते हैं और वहाँ से उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. सो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द information of the interested leads, you actually need to give what they need. So to get, remember to give. That is the basic fundamental of lead generation. And most of the times as business owner, as soon as we give to get and we start continuing with our business, we normally forget that we have to continue this process every single month. एंड इस वजह से हम अपने लीड मैग्नेट्स को क्रिएट करते हैं, कुछ लीड्स इकट्ठा करते हैं, उन पे सेल्स लेके आते हैं, एंड एज सुन एज सेल्स आती है हम ऑपरेशंस के साइड अपना पूरा ध्यान दे देते हैं एंड वी फॉरगेट टू जनरेट न्यू लीड्स और वी जस्ट डोंट पे अटेंशन टू लीड जनरेशन. So if you are making this mistake, please don't make this mistake. Now, there will be some business owners who will come to me and say, पर मैं तो हर मंथ लीड जनरेशन कर रहा हूँ, फिर मेरा बिजनेस ग्रो क्यों नहीं हो रहा? तो उसका भी जवाब है मेरे पास. Well, the next thing that you need to do is to have a follow-up system. How many times can you follow up with the current leads that you have? What should be the strategies of following up so that your teams can follow that continuously? What is the process of follow up with your current leads and what is the value that you can give to them so that they start trusting you? So follow up is a process of building more trust, more authority, rather than just by giving something, let them experience something as a service business owner. That's the time when the trust increases and they will be ready to get converted as your client. So focus on following up. And the third magical sauce in lead generation is to derive quality. While most of the business owners are generating leads, they are not generating quality leads. मतलब वो ऐसे leads नहीं generate कर रहे जो उनको right kind of customers दे सके specifically to build a premium brand. Then in that case, what I would say is when you are having a lead magnet system, ensure that you are not just creating a one-step system. Instead, you are getting involved with the person before collecting their information so that the lead that you get is the most interested lead for your business. Now, the problem with most of the lead magnets or most of the performance marketing systems or campaigns is that most of the agencies do a one-step campaign. Now, one-step campaign means एक simple campaign जहाँ आपने कुछ एक particular चीज़ दी and उनसे उनकी information ले ली. यहाँ पे agency ये बोल के अपना काम खत्म कर देती है कि हमने आपको leads provide कर दिए. But this is a reminder for agencies as well as for businesses that when you are into performance marketing, a two-step lead generation method or a long lead generation method such as having VSLs can actually help you get better clients that can convert into premium clientele. So if you want your clients to be good at quality, then here is the secret sauce. Pay attention to your performance marketing campaigns and see to it that you are not keeping a one-step campaign. And if some of the agencies are making this mistake, please stop making this mistake and see to it that you are giving your business owners the right kind of clients that they are looking for. Now, let's come to the second part of the video, which is much more important. As soon as you start getting leads, you start closing, you start getting some sales happening, then the next thing that can help you scale your business and lead to a predictability stage is to get in collaboration. Now, what does collaboration actually means? Collaboration is actually simple because it can be done with the people who are just known to you. You build your network while going into events, while interacting with a lot of people, and just collaborate with one particular person in one particular month. That's enough to give a predictability into your business because the influence of that particular company or that particular collaboration can be seen as a direct influence into your business, adding a cream on the cake. So if you want to add a cream to your cake, then see to it that you are investing your time with the right kind of collaborators. So since your objective is just to collaborate with one particular collaborator, you need to see that you are collaborating with the right kind of collaborative people. Now what does this mean? It simply means कि जिसके साथ भी आप collaborate कर रहे हैं, ये देख के collaborate कीजिए कि उनकी audience या target audience similar होनी चाहिए, बट सर्विसेज डिफरेंट होनी चाहिए. जब आप ऐसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सर्विसेज को साथ में कोलैबोरेट करते हैं तो आप साथ में ग्रो करते हैं. इसका मतलब कोलैबोरेटर का इंटरेस्ट भी आपके बिजनेस को ग्रो करने की तरफ जाता है क्योंकि उसकी वजह से उनके बिजनेस की वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज हो रही है। जब आप एक ऐसा कोलैबोरेटिव नेटवर्क बना लेते हैं तो इट बिकम्स ईजी फॉर यू टू ब्रिंग इन न्यू लीड्स, टू एस्टैब्लिश क्रेडिबिलिटी इन द मार्केट, and definitely to get more engrossed in your own core network that can help you grow every single month. With these two simple strategies, your business can actually move from a non-profitable stage to a predictable and a successful stage. So if you want to move from a broken business to a successful business model, apply these two strategies every single month. Now here is a quick homework for you before I leave this video all to you. The first thing that you need to do is understand the target audience that you want to cater for a particular service that you want to hit in your industry. Once you do that, the second thing is releasing a lead magnet or understanding the concept of lead generation for your own business that you can repeat every single month to ensure predictability. And the third thing is to invest time and understand and build proposals with one of the collaborators for one particular month. Now, when you do these three activities every single month on month, if you track the data, you will be able to build a predictive business model, thereby understanding that your business will never suffer losses after this. So, if you want to move from broken to a successful business model, I believe these are the steps that can help you grow your business, and this is something that you must definitely try. Once you try, don't forget to go back to the video and put in comments what are the strategies did you try and what has worked for you. And do not forget to share this video with some of your entrepreneur friends who can really benefit from this video. By the way, you can share this with your teams as well so that they can give you the right kind of strategies that your business is looking for. That's for now. I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Coach Sakshi.